Will the next 12 months be the best for your window repair, window replacement, window installation service company? Do you know what happened to Bert, a window installer business owner in Riverside? He was tired of how much he was spending on advertising services and came to us for advice. After we evaluated what he was doing, we made a few suggestions and changes to his outreach strategy. His life has never been the same since. He actually expanded his service to nearby cities. Would you like to know what he did? The opportunity to make your life easier and more meaningful just arrived. Right from Google. We thought you might want to take advantage of. Your life will change in this coming year, when you do. Would you believe he can have as many leads, calls, and appointments as his heart wishes? And as many as he can possibly handle, while actually paying less to acquire them. If you are looking for more calls, more bookings, and more revenue in the next 12 months, and don't want to spend as much as you had spent before on advertising and promoting your window repair, window replacement, window installation service business, then keep watching these short videos. You'll be introduced to ways in which you can get not just views and not just clicks that eat up hard-earned money, but actual phone calls from homeowners searching online for a window repair, window replacement, window installation service desperately. Would you like to know more? What if you could increase conversion rate of clicks, which is 1 to 2%, to not 15 to 25%, but 15 times to 25 times, to your window repair, window replacement, window installation service? Would you want to know more? Most window repair, window replacement, window installation service owners we have helped are looking for calls from homeowners interested in their service. They have usually tried lots of other services, like PPC, Facebook ads, SEO, Angie's List, Groupon, Yelp, Home Advisor, and found out the hard way some very disturbing facts. 1. These are expensive. 2. The same leads are being sent to 5 others, so there's no exclusivity. 3. If you didn't respond right away, the leads that you were paying for went to someone else. An everyday tragedy and continuous loss to window repair, window replacement, window installation service business owners like yourself. So, now, working with Google, there is a new way, which helps window repair, window replacement, window installation service business owners, just like you, gain more paying customers via actual phone calls. This is pay-per-call advertising. I'll tell you more about this way of stopping this drain on your finances, increasing your calls, appointments, and revenue in the next video. I would very much like to hear what you think about this idea of helping window repair, window replacement, window installation service companies and homeowners. Simply reply, window calls, and we'll get right back to you.